Hello, what's up everybody? This is B-Boy Tech with another rewards video, bringing you guys this one. It's called Just Play, and real quick too, you can play games to unlock or to get points, or you can come down here and watch videos, watch advertisements to get points. Every time you watch a video, it will take 2 minutes for a cooldown to finish, then you can watch another one. Doesn't seem like there's a limit with that, but let's go ahead and cash out on here. So if you can see, they say PayPal and Amazon. They also have a $5 welcome bonus, which only happens once you reach $25. Now, there is no account that you sign into. So the time that I ask you for your email is actually after this cash out here. So we're going to go and press that. We're going to go ahead and select the Amazon one. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off for 1 second while we're doing the Amazon. But again, we should be looking for 28 cents in our account. Just going to give me 1 moment. I'm just going to turn it off once I go in and click that. We're still here. I'm going to go. So it asks you for your email address, your first and last name. And the first time you cash out, it's also going to ask you for a location of where you live. So go ahead and type that in there. Once you do that, go ahead and press OK. And as we can see here, it says cash out successfully. Now you can cash out every day. It resets at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and it also resets at 12 midnight Pacific time. I'm pretty sure PT. Yeah, PT. So that this company is based in Germany. So let's go ahead and get to my computer instead of the phone. I'm just going to go ahead and get to the computer and see what the cash out on there. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording on here. Alright everybody, we're back again. So this is how they come in. It looks like it says reply to T-Mobile, which is kind of strange because not really T-Mobile are. It doesn't seem like they're T-Mobile, but they might be. But okay. But this is the gift card. It comes from Tango. There's the gift card. Of course, it's going to be cleaned before that we take out the video. But there we go. You can see that you get a gift card right away for cashing out on JustPlay, as it says right there. Your reward from JustPlay. All right. So this is just going to be a short little video. So I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace out. And go and like, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. There'll be more Money Mondays in the future. Bye.